Hello, everybody. You are on Code on Puffic channel. Today we are going to look at the Copy Python module. Shallow and deep copy operations. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. Assignment statements in Python do not copy objects, they create bindings between a target and an object. For collections that are mutable or contain mutable items, a copy is sometimes needed so one can change one copy without changing the other. This module provides generic shallow and deep copy operations. This module does not copy types like module, method, stack trace, stack frame, file, socket, window, or any similar types. The module has two methods, copy, which returns a shallow copy of past argument, and deep copy, return a deep copy of an argument. Memo, is a dict, where into-object correspondence is kept to reconstruct complex object graphs perfectly. Shallow copies of dictionaries can be made using dictionary copy method, and shallow copies of lists by assigning a slice of the entire list, as in example. Classes can use the same interfaces to control copying that they use to control pickling. In order for a class to define its own copy implementation, it can define special methods _copy and _deep copy _. Let's look at some examples. The first, we are going to write the code of just copying object to another variable. It is like a link to the object. They have the same IDs. And appending new elements to the one variable changes the object in another. Method copy creates another object with different ID. And appending occurs only in that object where we do it. The difference between copy and deep copy. Copy method change ID of whole object, but not of elements. Deep copy method changes in whole object ID and all IDs of the elements inside. In other words, a shallow copy constructs a new compound object and then, to the extent possible, inserts references into it to the objects found in the original. A deep copy constructs a new compound object and then, recursively, inserts copies into it of the objects found in the original. two problems often exist with deep copy operations that don't exist with shallow copy operations. Recursive objects, compound objects that, directly or indirectly, contain a reference to themselves, may cause a recursive loop. Because deep copy copies everything it may copy too much, such as data which is intended to be shared between copies. The deep copy function avoids these problems by keeping a memo dictionary of objects already copied during the current copying pass, letting user-defined classes override the copying operation or the set of components copied. Let's look at the way of overriding shallow and deep copy methods in objects. Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments, share with friends, and subscribe to see new series. Be safe.